So in the previous problems, we were using percentages to find an amount, but as our author points out, we can actually go the other direction and we can use the amounts to find the percentage. So we have here that there are 32 teams in the National Football League, 12 of them make the playoffs each year. So the question is, what percent of teams make the playoffs? Well, what we're asking is 12 is what percent of 32? Another way to think of it is this 12 is the part and this 32 is the whole. So as a percentage, we just want to take the part and divide it by the whole. I mean, that's another kind of basic definition of a percent. What we could also do is use the algebra version of this, where we say we're going to have a percent, some value, times the total, or the whole, is going to equal the amount. So here we divide both sides by 32 and you've got it. So let's jump into Desmos and do this calculation. I'm just going to type in 12 divided by 32. And there is our decimal version of this fraction. So 12 divided by 32 is equal to 0.375. Now we want to write that as a percent. Recall what we stated before, just multiply by 100, which has the effect of moving the decimal 2 places to the right, meaning as a percentage, this is 37.5%. But let's write out what this means in context. So what is this? We're saying that 37.5% of all NFL teams make the playoffs, or are able to play in the playoffs. That's precisely what this number is based on the context of the problem. Which is what both questions 12 and 13 were asking us to figure out in this case.